Today, guys, I am so excited to share with you some new pieces from the Otter Spirit. I have shown you reviews on these beautiful gemstone bracelets before, and now they have some more exciting pieces that they have added to their collection instead of just bracelets. There are earrings and necklaces as well. So I am going to link in the description box their website, give you a coupon code that they have so graciously shared with me so that you can enjoy a savings if you see anything that you like from today's video. Or if you decide you want to check out their website, then make sure to use that coupon code and the specific link that I share with you guys. It'll take you to their website and you can see all of the great items that they have. So I want to thank the Otter Spirit for sending me these to review for you guys. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. I want to tell you a little bit about the company and what they stand for, and then also show you the great jewelry pieces as well. So let's get started. So before I actually unbox and show you the beautiful pieces, I do want to tell you a little bit about the Otter Spirit. So they do donate $1 for each bracelet that they sell to help save wild sea otters in Monterey Bay. They offer a 2-year warranty, so they do believe in their products and they stand behind them for 2 years. And they also have a 30-day return or exchange policy. All of their gemstones are natural and triple grade. They also have 2 different sizes. They have a mini size, and I'm going to show you the difference in the mini and the regular size. And then they also have 3 different sizes for the wrist. They have a small, a medium, and a large. I normally can range from a 7-inch to a 7.5-inch bracelet, and I choose to get the large size. But if you have smaller wrists, that is really good that they offer the option of a small and a medium as well. There is a size guide on their website though, if that will help you a little bit to determine which size that you would need. And here are the 3 boxes. So each one of them came individually wrapped. So at the beginning of each month, they have new releases, and then they always pick a pack of the month. I always like to pick up the packs because they curate 3 different gemstone styles to either represent the month or a specific sign or just anything like that. So I do love to pick out their bracelet pack. In February, I picked up the Love Pack because I thought that was such a great pack for Valentine's Day. So this time I have picked out the Holiday Pack, which is for Christmas time. And I know this is kind of last minute getting it to you before Christmas, but these can be used to mix and match with other things also for later in the year. But each gemstone has a meaning, and I want to share with you the meaning of each one of them. But I want to give you a little bit of information that whenever you get your package, it does say thank you for your donation, that $1 per product has been donated to protect wild sea otters in collaboration with ocean wildlife organizations in Monterey Bay, California. So I love that because they do give back for each purchase that you make. And again, I'm really excited because when I first discovered the Otter Spirit, they only had the gemstone bracelets, but now they have branched out and they have necklaces and earrings, and there's just really some good products. So I hope you do check out their website. And I want to get into all of the pieces for the holiday pack, because that's the pack of the month for December, just to kind of celebrate the holiday season. So I'm going to open up each one of them and tell you a little bit about what the meaning between each one of them is. So I'll go ahead and open one with you because there's some really neat things that are in the packaging, because this is great for gift giving if you're getting this in time, or just to keep for yourself. But then if you think to birthdays and graduations and just in any time, if you want to give a gift to somebody for their birthday or Valentine's Day or anything like that, there are meaning behind these gemstones. So if you just really want somebody to feel special, get them that personalized gift, or just make yourself feel special. So this is the packaging. It comes in a navy with the silver Otter Spirit, and then it does have a magnetic close. These are really neat to store, and they have this really great quote when you open it up. It says each gemstone tells a unique story, and now it's time to write yours. I love that. And again, this is great for presenting. But there's something new that they have in here that I haven't received in any of my other packages. And that is a card that tells you about the gemstone bracelet that you're actually getting. So like this one is green jade, and it does say that the intention is prosperity. The zodiac signs are Taurus, Virgo, Libra, and Gemini. I am a Gemini. And the chakras are heart. Tells you how to care for it. And then it says like the inspiration and the meaning behind it says everything I touch turns to gold. So I'm going to give you a little bit of information about each one of the gemstones, but I just wanted to show you how they were packaged, because they really are packaged nicely for gift giving or presenting to someone, but they're also great for yourself and great ways to store them. These are really neat, and I just love the quote that's in there. I just think it gives it a little bit of extra personal touch. And then they do come in these microfiber velvet filling cases, and each one of them comes separately. So these are great to store them in if you want to keep them clean. And they're also great to travel with as well. So then when you just open it up, here is one of them, and they're absolutely gorgeous. And then I want to show you, each one of them has a stainless steel charm that has an otter on it, which I think is so cute. It just adds a little bit to it. It makes it not just a regular gemstone bracelet. So then every time that you look at this, you can see the little otter and know that you had a little part of helping to save and protect them in the Monterey Bay area. Okay, so I have opened them up and here they look together. I'm gonna put them on in just a moment, but I wanted to read you the cards that came with them. So I did read you the green jade because that was the one that had opened up in front of you. And then there's the red jasper and it says, I am brave and won't give up. The intention is strength. The zodiac signs are Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and Scorpio, and the chakras are root and sacral. And then the howlite, which is the white one, says, I stay calm in stressful situations. Well, I need to wear this one every single day because I am stressed daily. The intention is balance. Zodiac signs, Gemini, Scorpio, Virgo, and Capricorn. Chakras are crowned. So here they are. So this is the holiday pack. This is the pack of the month. So the red jasper evokes warmth and joy. The green jade symbolizes harmony and good fortune. And the howlite promotes relaxation and peaceful holidays. So this is great that they were able to incorporate these colors, which are colors you think about for Christmas, red and green. And then also the meanings behind them represent a lot because it does get stressful during the holiday season and you want to just be able to enjoy everybody, have some joy, and just have that relaxation, which I know a lot of us are missing during the Christmas season because we do tend to get a little bit stressed. So the red jasper is the endurance stone. The green jade is the lucky stone. And the howlite is the smoothing stone. So I do love all of these together and I'm going to put them on. They have a nice stretch to them. And again, I did get the large size and I love how these look together. So it is very festive and great for the holiday season. You can wear all these together or you can separate them up or you can add them with some other ones. I believe that I've got red jasper with the love pack. It came with a white, a pink, and a red. And I got them in the mini size. So I actually have this green jade in the mini size and I'm gonna show you a comparison between the regular size and the mini size. So I went ahead and took it off so you can see a side-by-side comparison. So this is the mini size and this is the regular size. And what that just means is the beads measurements are a little bit smaller on the mini. The size of it is still the same. The large still fits me in the mini, but the size of the beads are a little bit different. So you can see a great side-by-side comparison of these. And then I'll also put it on so you can see the comparison. So you could mix some minis with the larger ones if you wanted to do that. There's the mini on the wrist compared to the regular size beads. A lot of times I opt for the mini just because I love to stack a lot together and you can stack more with the mini. But I do love the size of the regular as well. So there you go. That's the mini compared to the regular. And I love this holiday pack, you guys. It's so festive. And I just think this is going to go with what I'm wearing today with the burgundy and the green. We've got the red jasper and the green jade. And then I've got a little white here. So this just matches perfectly with my outfit for the day. You guys, I love these bracelets. I am so excited every time that they ask me if I want to do a collaboration with them and send me some pieces because I love these. I've actually purchased some on my own as well. I'm really excited that they are expanding and just make sure to check out their website. I do have that linked in the description box for you guys. And then I also have that coupon code in the description box so you can get some additional savings because these are some great things and they are giving back. They're just really great quality and they believe that they're great quality as well because they do stand behind their product. I do hope that you have enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up so that I'll know that you do enjoy the Otter Spirit just as much as I do. I would also love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day and a happy holiday season.